Yeah. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. Price action has been very weird recently, but let's see. I'm still hopeful for today's session. Still hopeful. Let me send the Zoom link out real quick. Morning, Tommy Zhang. What's good, bro? Crypto Maniac, 23 pips. That's crazy, bro. Good stuff. GG's. Let's go. How's everyone doing? How is everyone's doing? It's a lovely morning, man. The weather's crazy outside in the UK right now. Proper sunny, mate. Yeah, nah, it's kind of sunny. What's good, Cheryl's position? What's good? Cool, chat. Let's get into this analysis real quick then. Before I do, drop a like and all that good stuff. So, chat, what can we look for here? Well, looking on the weekly on gold, we are sort of coming back up again. Still not much of a bottom wick on the weekly, which is interesting for me, but I don't know if we do need to come and grab liquidity now. We seem to just be continuing to push up. The daily has grabbed a bottom wick, a decently sized bottom wick too. How many pips is that? It's like, yeah, 50 pips. And now it's pushing up and trying to break its own highs again. So because of that, I think we do have room to come up here to at least 2186 at least. Now on the 4 hour, the 4 hour looks good as well too. The 4 hours closing in 35 minutes. So that's something we need to keep in mind, right? How the 4 hour is going to close. We don't really want to be taking trades too late into the 4 hour, but we'll see if we do manage to grab anything. Now on the hourly, I did actually send a signal in this morning for buy stops above here when the 30 closed up, but for some reason the 15 closed back in and was hovering about, so I ended up deleting that because we came up with it without a bottom wick. So yeah, our buys would have been above here, but now we've sort of filled the range that we were looking to fill. So what I'm going to have to look for now is closures above 2183 flat. Anywhere above there, we can take some buys. But at this time, at this moment, you know, we're just in the range. Unless we do get an onion play forming on the lower time frames, then we're going to have to wait for that onion play to happen. But yeah, sorry, we're going to have to wait for that breakout above to happen. Now, in terms of sells, right, we'll have our original sells down here to be breaking back into this range here below 2178, and then range 2 we're going to be looking at something like, I do believe it's down, was it this level I was looking at, 2175? Yeah, a little bit lower, so it's going to be 2174.39 for sells. Yeah, that is good to me. Range 2 sells below 2174.3. So yeah, that's what we're going to be looking for. Hopefully that makes sense to your chat. We did reject quite strongly off this level too, so that could be an indication, you know, that we are not ready to push up yet, and hopefully when we're ready to push up, we are there to grab it, right? So that's all we've got to wait for. Whoa, no, I don't want to delete anything. That's above. Cool. Makes sense, chat? Hopefully that's a pretty simple analysis for you guys. It's a shame that we couldn't take this closure above here, but yeah, we didn't form the right thing, so it is what it is, right? I'm sure Janez would have taken it if it did form correctly. What's good, Leonidas? What's good, brother? Cool, chat. Now I'm gonna move on to EuroUSD for the analysis here quickly. So EuroUSD on the weekly is looking quite bearish. You know, the previous candle closed strongly bearish. This current weekly has come up, grabbed the top wick, and is beginning to flip. Now, the previous daily did also grab liquidity and close bearish. So as a result of that, I think we're going to be looking to come down here and at least test into these levels at 108.06. That should be the weekly flip too. Yeah, it is. So if we do come down here and test these levels, that should indicate a continuation of the downwards trend. Yeah, let's see. So the hourly, or the 4 hourly, sorry, has grabbed the top wick. It's coming to break the lows. There is some sort of resistance over here on the 4 hour, so maybe we need to break through that. But looking at the 1 hour level, what are we looking at in terms for sells? Well, I believe anything below 108.230 we can get sells from. Let me see real quick. Yeah, we'll push it down a little bit, right? So it's going to probably be here at 108.200 flat. But that looks pretty good to me. Anything below that, apologies, anything below that should be good for sales, with the target being down here at 108 flat. And then in terms of buys, obviously we're going to be looking for range 2 buys. So what we'll be looking for there, I reckon 108.330 is the first level for buys above. Yeah, that looks decent to me. And then range 2, where can we be looking? I believe there's a level that I was looking at the other day here at 108.424. Yeah, perfect. So anywhere above there, 108.430, we're going to be looking for buys. But yeah, that's it, chat. That's the analysis for both of those. If you did get some value out of that, please drop a like. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, get on with the session, right? DK, what's good, brother? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. How are you? I'm chilling. Trying to catch some pips. That yesterday we ended up catching like 72 pips overall. It was pretty good, pretty good. 2 wins in the signals channel. Can't complain. What's good, Alwyn? How you doing, bro? What's good, what's good, what's good? W analysis as always. Thank you, Spion. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Cool, 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 cool. How's your week been though so far, chat? How's your week been? Catch many pips? Where did you catch the 72 pips? Good question. So I took a sample size play on my own. I didn't send this into signals because it was a sample size play, but I took these buys up here to come to actually my take profit was on the wick fill, so that was 45 or 44, something like that. So I took an off the riff entry here at 10 o'clock. And then what else did we take? We took this 15 closure here. We took this 15 came down and flipped, and we took the closure there. It was actually a 4-hour play, but now you won't be able to see it obviously because of all this structure. But yeah, so we took that 4-hour and the 15 flip to come up. It would have been the 4-hour wick fill as the take profit up to there, but we closed at 10 pips. And then the final play that we took was a what was it? 30 celery close below. Yeah, we took this closure below here, came down and closed about 15 or 14 pips, I think it was. And those were the trades for yesterday, Ridwan. That's what we took yesterday. So chat, the 30 just closed here, closed heavily bearish. So that's interesting, right? It's very interesting. Let's see what this next 30 does. We have the 4-hour close coming up in 27 minutes. Hopefully we can come back up, break the highs, and close above this level on the 4. That would be great. Otherwise, we might just be stuck in a range. B week, didn't trade much this week. Yeah, fair enough, bro. It's been a weird week. I didn't get any trades until actually yesterday. Yeah, I didn't have a trade for a whole 6 trading days. So yeah, up about 1%. Nice, Crypto Maniac. GG's. 1 trade for me this week. Good stuff, Treasy. Good discipline. Good discipline. Okay, EURUSD is rejecting off this level quite heavily. Interesting. We never catch anything on stream. That's not true. We got six trades, all of which are wins, apart from 1 break even. But technically, a break even's a win. Cool, cool, cool. But yeah, chat, that's it's gonna be a pretty simple day, I think. Once the volume does start to kick in, I mean, London has just opened, right? So once volume does start to kick in, we should be chilling. Some heavy rejections here. I would have liked a bit of a different candle formation earlier, but there's nothing you can really do about it, right? Nothing you can do about it. Chat, also, the Discord hit 900 members, which is crazy, so thank you all for that. I appreciate all of you. Yeah. Good stuff. Big dubs. Remember also, chat, if you haven't already, make sure you enter the giveaway. Whilst we're here, we're doing a 10K accounts giveaway. Make sure you enter that. Free money, basically. Free money. Yeah, bro, how come your 4-hour closes in 30 minutes, but mine in 1 hour 30? Is that the time zone or what? Depends if you're on a different broker. Also, if you're looking at futures, then it's going to be 1 hour and 30 minutes. But yeah, just depends what broker you're on, bro. Where's my chat just gone? Bro, what? That you've disappeared. Okay, you're back. You're back. Bro, I was looking at the chat on the screen and it just suddenly disappeared out of nowhere. But yeah, you're back now. Morning, Abdullah. What's good, bro? What is good? Still very early, right? We normally start the stream at this time, so 65 of you in here. Appreciate it. Just chilling, my guy, watching gold be a cuck and closing above/below my levels and driving through. Yeah, trust me. Trust me, it's tough. It's very tough, but here's what it is, right? Here's what it is. Nothing we can do about it. 4 hours looking to flip here, chat there. And the daily's just flipped as well. Interesting. Very interesting stuff. The harsh rejection off that level. Extremely harsh rejection. I did not expect that, if I'm honest. I expected us to continue upwards, but not much we can do about that, chat. Not much we can do. It is what it is. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. But yeah, chat. Listen, we're halfway through the week now. Now's time that everyone's sort of, you know, in this period of the week, everyone starts to lose their discipline and get a bit frustrated if they haven't got enough trades or if they've been taking losses. So now's the time that you need to lock in and make sure that you are sticking to your plan. Don't lose composure. Keep pushing. And yeah, these are the times where, you know, you can make yourself stand out as a trader rather than, you know, just being a regular trader who loses their mind and impulses and all that stuff, you know. Ram Sammy, what's good, bro? How you doing? How you doing? I've been working on the clothing brand recently. I just got an email from a whoa. I did not know buttons could do that. That's kind of cool. Pressed a random button and it made the what? Right, I'm gonna stop pressing buttons just so that I don't mess about with the stream. But yeah. Now what I was saying is I just got an email from the supplier about the samples that I'm looking for, so I'm very, very excited for that. Should be getting some stuff out on the clothing brand soon. I was gonna ask, do you guys reckon I should make a separate account for the clothing, or should I run it through Trendline's Instagram? What do you think? Good LASIK. Good Khalid. What's good, bro? Thought stream ended too soon. No. Same account, yeah, maybe. No, I keep it all the same in my opinion. Yeah, fair enough. What's good, TJ? How we doing, bro? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's happening, Harry Pipper? I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. I'm in B for sells on gold. Nice, bro. Wait, your stop loss is to break even, or you're at the break even point right now? Just be careful here. We're in the range, so we don't really know what can happen here. Gold seems to just be a bit strange. Oh, chat. Do we have news today? I believe we do, right? Let me see. Let me see. Oh yeah, we have we don't actually. Mad. We have a speech later at 10 p.m. But that doesn't really affect us, right? We're not going to be trading at 10 p.m. Market's closed at that point. Why is there a speech at market close? That's very weird. Very, very weird. But yeah, so no news. That's alright. It's okay. What's good, Bedge? How you doing, bro? How are you doing? Gabriel, what's up? What's up? Dion, how we doing? Victory settings, what's good? What's good? What's good? I'm Baron, what's up? All the names in the chat, what's good? How's everyone's morning? How's everyone's week? Chat, we had a really interesting call last night in the coaching group. Really interesting. There was loads of people in there, and I don't know, we just covered a lot of good stuff. So they always, I don't know, I always come to the market the next day like sort of refreshed after these calls. Like it's a lot clearer in my head, you know what I mean? Good stuff. I'm very grateful for that. It's good, champ. How you doing, bro? How you doing? 10 p.m. is market open. Yeah, it is, but like London and New York are closed, right? And it's American news, so I don't know. Yeah, man. Let's see though, chat. We've got 17 minutes to close. I want to see how the 4-hour closes here on both Eurusd and gold. How many pips is this wick, Phil? 5 pips. Tough. I was starting to think that I was looking to see whether we could get, you know, a top wick in this wick, Phil, because we are closing below support here. But a bit tough, I think. Who's your favorite rapper, SG? I like Songer. He's not that well known, but Songer's good. Gang. My mate met that Songer. Yeah, I know. I've one of my boys is in his team, so I'm quite close with them. I've spoke to him before. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. Yeah, Songer's hard. His lyricism is the best. Like his wordplay is better than anyone's. Better than Dave's. Better than anyone like that. It's crazy. I just hit my B now, pushing down. Yeah, trust me, Alwyn. That's tough. That's tough. But you'll be good, bro. You'll be good. Don't worry. Rejections off these levels are harsh. Gold is coming to close below, engulfing almost. Interesting, right? Because technically our range 1 for buys was here. So can we call this a range 2 fake out? maybe. We need to close below here, I believe, actually, now. Yeah, if we could close below there, then I'd be interested in the sells, to be honest, but... Mad. That is kind of crazy, chat. There's a huge rejection. Brazil nuts. Mad. Yeah, so the 4 hour and the daily have just flipped, right? Could this lead us to a weekly flip? Maybe, I don't know. It's a bit of a stretch, probably. We've got to come all the way down here. But just a very harsh rejection, right? I don't see why we'd reject this hard for no reason. Oh, why am I looking left port? There's nothing there. My bad. Sometimes we have those moments, chat. A runner, they say? Yeah. Let's see here, though, chat. Let's see. It's really important how this 4 hour closes on both pairs here. So Eurusd is still closing below the levels, right? Which means that if we do get a top wick and a flip, we could take this wick fill down here. That's an interesting play for sure. Gold. We closed doji. That's really tough, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Rather us close either above the level on the 4 hour, but we'd have to close strong bullish. That you could flip. What I might do, chat, sometimes I do this when it's like a bit difficult. I might, when the 4 hour closes, I might redo the analysis. We'll see. But I'm tempted. I probably will, actually. Because, yeah, it can get tough sometimes. It can get tough. Gold is flipping. What's good, my man? Yeah, it did flip. Looking to reflip. Where is raised today? I'm not sure, bro. Not sure. SG, I'm only 17. Very crazy. That's crazy, Alwyn. Good stuff. Well, you're learning early then. You're learning early. Missed out on 200 pips yesterday. It didn't bother me. You can't let that get in your head. Yeah, Cryptomaniac's exactly right, Alwyn. Just you know, technically, we were taking buys down at where were we taking buys? We were taking buys all the way down here at like 1900, 1980. We were taking buys even at 1800 when it was down there in November. Was that November or October? Yeah, October. We were taking buys down here. So technically, if you think about it, we missed out on what, like over 2,000 pips. But you can't think about it that way, right? It's just not how you think about it. Especially over 3,000 pips. You know what I mean? Like, it is what it is, man. We just take what we take and we get out. Simple. Damn, that's a runner. Yeah, it is. Stops to break even. She's a runner. She's a track star. Yeah, indeed. Indeed. What day is it at the gym for everyone today? What day is it? At 17, I wanted everything that was in store. At 23, I bought it all just to make sure. Bro, it's a good little quote, that. I'm 23 though, and I haven't bought it all yet, so tough. Tough. Soon though. Partials at 1,000 pips. Cheesing. Yeah. There's 50% right there. Yeah, if we close like this, we could take some sells here, I think. Not if we close like this though. We have to close below the level. Nah, we're all gonna make it for sure, SG. Yeah, indeed, bro, indeed. 10k run. Crazy, bro. Yeah, good stuff. 10k run is mad, you know. I can't run 10k. Not anymore, at least. I used to be able to. Let's see, chat. Let's see. We've got 9 minutes to this closure here. Make sure you stay locked in. Eurusd looks nice too. Grab this little closure below here on the 4 hour. Could be good for sells. Down to the wick fill. Oh wait, pull this down a little bit. Yeah, chat. And then what we'll do, I've got the 4 hour levels marked out now. What we'll do is we'll remark them up. We'll redo the analysis after the 4 hour close. If we don't get any trades off the 4 hour. Tough conditions, to be honest. Weird conditions. Yeah, bro. It's very, very weird. I'm not gonna lie. It's very, very weird. But I mean, what's this looking like? We could do stops for 9 pips, take profit for 7. Yeah, that's okay. Pretty much a 1-to-1. Yeah, pretty much a 1-to-1. But yeah, chat, as we said in sort of, do you remember January when we were struggling in the market and everything was a bit tough? As we said then, right, if you can navigate these conditions, you can navigate the easy conditions. Just you wait till we get to quarter 3, quarter 4. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be easy for you all. Think about it that way, right? Think about it that way. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy, man. Get some sleep then, bro. Get some sleep then. I don't know what to train today. Trying to figure out where I'm sore and everything. From your experience at SG, does quarter 3 and quarter 4 have more volume? Well, last quarter 4, bro. Last quarter 4 was insane. It's not that it has more volume, it's just cleaner price action. Just cleaner price action. And yeah, that's what I think, bro. Go for that leg day. Nah, I trained legs yesterday, bro. I can't do legs again. Bro, I absolutely murdered my legs yesterday. Can't even lie, my legs were in pieces. In absolute pieces. You know those ones where you're trying to walk out the gym and you can't get up the stairs? Being a PA, yeah, true, I rate that. Not like now, yeah. Nah, yeah, exactly. Price action at the minute is very tough. Very, very tough. But we'll see, chat. There's definitely potential for the stream, right? We'll stay on a bit later than we did yesterday. We jumped off a bit early yesterday because closures were a bit tough, but I think we've got some potential. I'm not gonna lie. Not as if we've got, you know, 4 hours without any wicks or whatever. In fact, we've got the opposite today. We've got 4 hours with just wicks. But yesterday we had this 4 hour, and I wasn't taking any trades on that. No chance. The stair thing happened today morning. I almost fell off the stairs. Yeah, bro. It's a sign that you had a good leg day. Or if you drive home and you can't press the clutch or whatever. Also a good sign. For sure. But chat, if you haven't already, please make sure to like the stream. It means a lot, right? It's really important, and it does boost us. So yeah. Channel's growing crazy fast. I think we were about, well, we're not far off of 1.3k subs. I mean, yeah, we're like halfway there, but still. Growth is insane. Wow, Eurusd is coming back above the range here. Cool. At least there's volume, chat, as well. At least there's volume, you know? You don't want to be trading when there's no volume, so we have got volume at least. Maybe we can look for a sort of onion play here as well on the new open of the 4 hour. Maybe we can look for an onion play to come back up. We'll see. SG, you're going to stream earlier now that SG is that Janez, sorry, is retiring. I don't think he's retiring. He's just taking a step back for a bit. But yeah, I can do maybe. Depends what you guys want. But yeah, I can do probably. I can jump on. I'll jump on a little bit earlier. What time does Janez start streaming there? It's like 6:30 my time, isn't it? I can't stream that early. Maybe I could start at 7. But then again, that's still a bit early. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. How is your name trend lines? My good friend General Aladdin, he's in DVS. He came up with the name, and essentially he just it's like a combination between trend lines and trend. Like the you know, trend's a steroid. And I go to the gym, and then trend lines are a thing that people use in trading, so it's a great combination of both aspects of the industry, right? That's how it was come up with. But what's good, Goldie, anyway? What's good? Trend. Ejiro, what's good? Yes, trend. I don't take trend there. SG use those needles, nah. Whoa. What is this push? That's crazy. So should we all start taking it? Yeah, everyone hop on. Not financial advice. Your real name, I mean. Sam. That is my real name. Samantha, yeah. Yeah, you got it. News is like a trend on the market. Yeah, it is. It is. Actually a good analogy. I think. I don't know. I've never done trend, so. But it definitely pumps it up. Definitely pumps it up. I think even 8 instead of 8:30 is early enough. Yeah. I was going to say 8 is London Open, right? So I can jump on it at 8. Yeah, potentially. That could be a good idea, Crypto, actually. Because, I mean, look, the 8 o'clock candle has a lot of volume. Yeah. So yeah, we can do that. We can do that for sure. US 30, nice little onion play. I know Raze is looking at that. Bounce off this level. Push down. Oh, Raze is in there for sure. Man, I wake up at 8 AM. That can't be true because you're on the stream. Oh yeah, I suppose. Ray's loves an onion. Yeah, he does. He does. Right, let's see, the 4 hours closing here. So on Eurusd, we're closing, just respecting the levels. But there's nothing I can take there because this is only range 1 for buys. If we do come and close above here, then we'll take that as a range 2 fake out. But yeah, gold as well. We're looking to close in the range 2. Heavily bearish on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. We need a top wick there. Don't know if I'm comfortable taking that, chat, to be honest. I don't think I am. It's a decent little onion play, but it's just I don't know. I'd rather wait for some closures below, you know. Let me redo the analysis real quick, chat. So, obviously, going back to the daily on gold, right? We're bullish still on the daily. 4 hour close respecting this level, right? And we're grabbing some liquidity from below now with the bottom wick. We've closed respecting this overall level here. Now, on the 1 hour, what are we looking at again? So, on the 1 hour, same sort of thing, right? Buys are going to have to be fair, we can take buys above here now. Now that we did close here. That's okay. Now, sells, again, we're going to be looking below this level for range 1, and range 2 probably is going to be 2174.38. Yeah, see, so chat, this onion play might play out here. If you want to take it, it's your choice, right? But I'm not going to take it. But yeah, this flip might, oh, there you go. You probably be break even now. Yeah, 10 pips up. It's what it is, chat. But that's not our play, right? It's the 4 hour open, so it's a bit difficult in my opinion. I'd rather wait for some players on the 30 as well, because if you're looking at the 4 hour open and you're taking trades off the 15, it can be a bit difficult. But yeah. Okay, cool. Buys above 2180.6 and sells below. And sells below range 2. Cool. Did you learn trading from Time to Eat? No, I learned from Don Vo. I think Time to Eat learned from Don Vo as well. So essentially everyone learned from Don Vo. DVS. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This range is just a little bit too choppy for me, you know. The reason why I didn't take this onion play is because the range is just got a lot of levels within the range, you know, a lot of minor levels that we can reject off of at any point. So I'm not really a big fan of that, to be honest. Eurusd, let's redo the analysis again. Why not? Daily is bearish, but looking to flip now. That's interesting. That is very interesting. Obviously, we've grabbed liquidity from the upside to come down. But do we need to grab a bigger top wick? Maybe that's what we're looking to do right now. I'm not sure. The 4 hour has come up and closed respecting the level. This 4 hours grabbed the top wick. It could continue to flip down. I'm not sure. But yeah, the 1 hour, what are we looking at on the 1 hour? Well, on the 1 hour, we have some levels over here. So overall, we are bearish on the daily, right? Because we do expect us to fill down. You know, the weekly is well, it has no bottom wick really. I mean, it has a small one, but not enough of one. I do believe the weekly does need to flip and come down. But yeah, on the hourly, we'd be looking for sells below this level here at 108.264. Buys are going to be above. Trying to see if I can take it here. Let me see. Let me look left quickly. I think it's a bit choppy over here though if we keep going. No, actually, that's okay. Yeah, buys for range 2 can be above 108.392. And that's what we're looking at overall. Sometimes you just have to redo your analysis, you know? Sometimes you have to redo it, get a clearer picture in your head. And also, the market's changed, right? The market has changed already. Since we've had that 4 hour close, the market's altered its structure. So it's never a bad thing to redo your analysis. I suspect there was news for GJ. Look at that 5 minute. I'm mad. I don't think there was. I don't think there was news. Nah, there wasn't. I mean, there was... No, there was nothing. Might be some... Yeah, it might be some news that's not like Forex Factory news. It might just be world news or whatever. But that is crazy. What's good, Seska? How we doing, bro? Good to see you back here, man. But yeah, chat, I don't trade GJ, so... I do always 2 or 3 analysis on a day. For London, pre-New York, and just before my opening works perfect. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, bro. It's never a bad thing, right? Got some volume coming into the market here now, though, the chat. Got some volume. So yeah, this onion play would have been okay. I mean, we probably would have... Would we have hit break even? I'm not sure, but either way, we would have been break even right now. Oh, jeez. Why does this volume just come randomly? That's crazy. But yeah, chat. We'll see. We need to wait for some closures now, right? We need to wait for some closures. Once we get these closures above, we can look to take some positions. Hopefully the 30 comes up here, closes above. Don't think stops will be too big still. Yeah, they're not too big. SG, have you used PVRSA vectors? 4 hour showing a blue vector. Bro, I've got no clue what that is. Unfortunately. I have absolutely no clue what that is. I don't use any indicators at all. UJ and GJ last year, it happened a few times, just crashed out of nowhere, and no one knew what it was till afterwards. Yeah, that was Bank of Japan manipulation. I remember that. Bank of Japan just decided to manipulate its own currency out of nowhere. It was a bit mad, but yeah, it is what it is. Well, take it easy, SG, PA, gold, looking yuck. Yeah, bro. Take it easy. Take it easy, DK. Whoa. Oh, I'm sore, chat. Need to get in the gym. Need to get some stretching. All that good stuff. So Eurusd is coming up here to close above the level. Again, it is range 1, but we did grab a lot of liquidity from below. So depending on how we make some closures here, we could look to take this to fill up the rest of the range. A lot of potential here though, chat. A lot of potential. The volume seems to have just kicked in. So let's see if we can take advantage of that. What's an onion trade or onion method? Essentially it's this, right? So we have a pullback here, and then this candle decides to close bullish. Next candle grabs a bottom wick and continues upwards to fill the rest of the range. That's a pretty decent onion play if I'm honest, but I just wasn't taking it because the 4 hour open, you know. But that's an onion play. Makes sense, bro? Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. Cool, let's see if we can get a closure above here on EURUSD. I know it is range 1, right, but we've come below here and closed back above. So technically this could be a range 2 fake out. Let's see, chat, let's see. What's the meaning of 1 BE? That means one break even trade. So one of our trades was we hit break even. What's good though? Kerastasi. Hopefully that was, I don't know, or Peter. I'll just call you Peter. It's probably easier. Trying to pronounce all these names correctly. Cool, chat. If you are new here, or if you've just joined the stream, please drop a like. Try to get to what, 75 likes today. That'd be much appreciated. Much appreciated. I've noticed that the streams where we have more likes, they get pushed harder. Obviously that sounds like common sense, but it's actually like very noticeable. So yeah, man. Let's see if we can grab a 30 closure here in 20 minutes. A lot of volume though, a lot of volume. Crazy, from that 4-hour opening we had heaps of volume. BM or Audi? Mercedes. Nah, BM. BM. Yeah, chat. Cryptomaniac just reminded me, if you do want to get a funded account, sign up to Alpha Capital. It's the funded account that I do recommend down below. Use code SG, gets you 20% off at the minute. So that I can buy that BM or Audi. I'm joking. What's good, Jordy? Jordy, you catch anything on stream today? Chat, also, if you want to see anything content-wise, let me know. Like, if you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to see for Instagram videos or YouTube videos, shout me. I'm your guy, and I'll make it for you. QBE, yeah, all good. Day in the life of a trader. What, you want more of them? Okay, I got you. They're a bit difficult. Oh, there's one coming out, right? So there's a big vlog coming out for the London podcast that I did. Vlogs, okay, I got you. Yeah, day in the life. Crazy. Alright. Didn't know you guys wanted to see that, but yeah, sounds good. Try and pump them out. I might do it a bit more like daily habits that made you profitable. That's a good idea. Let me write this down real quick in my video list on Notion. How to get a girlfriend. Mad. I can't teach you that one, brother. Unfortunately, I cannot teach you that one. If only I could, eh? Actually, I probably can. I'd say get jacked and get rich. That's the best chance you're gonna give yourself. But don't tell the girl that you're with that you're rich at the beginning. That's a key thing, right? That's a key thing. Make sure the girl thinks you're broke, and then she's gonna be with you for you rather than the money. And then when she starts to do the right things and all that stuff, then you can spoil her and, you know, treat her well. Should be the goal of every guy. My advice is to get the girl and then get rich, because then she's the real one. Yeah, I agree. It's the same sort of thing, right? If you're already rich, then don't tell her. But yeah, get the girl and then get rich. That's what I did. I was broke when I met my girl. Dead broke. Just get a rich girl. Nah, rich girls are snobs, trust me. Trust me. I went to a school full of rich girls, trust me, they're snobs. Sugar mama, yeah, an older woman, maybe. I've got a mate who's got his partner, he says, because she's older, is like 35 or something. He's like my age, and he just gets taken places for free. Sick. Kind of cool. You have to rate it. At the end of the day, you have to rate it. Are you waiting for a 15 closure above the range? Yeah, bro. Yeah, I am. No, 30 closure, sorry. It's good raise. What's good, what's good? Big dubs, chat. Maybe a video about how you started trading and how you developed the skill sets to become a profitable trader, about how you handled it and how you might do it differently now. Good idea, bro. Put that in the video list too. There you go. It's coming, it's coming. Pending. Yes, sir. What's good, Peter? How you doing? What's good, what's good? Chat, we're waiting for a closure here, though. If we do get this closure above this level, I don't see why we shouldn't continue upwards. We'll be closing back into this range. We'll be looking for a break-even point up here at 2183. That's going to give us 20 pips to the break-even point. TP is probably going to be up at this top level here. If it doesn't run first, which it looks like it might. Oh, chat. What's going on? To be fair, if we close above here, no matter what, we can take it up to this range as long as we don't fill that first. Because even though we did reject at this level before, we rejected but didn't come down. We rejected, made structure, and then came up. So that's what we'll look to do there. Again, we'll look to mirror that move. Same way, every time we've come above this level, this time we closed, you know, this time we closed, well, we came up to here. This time we came up to 2186. This time we came up to, what's this, 2183 areas. This time we came up to 2184 areas, 2185 even. So yeah, I do believe we should come up if we do close above. Oh. But chat, the important thing again is that we do close above, right? We might just do the same stuff that we've been doing the whole session and coming above and then faking out. You never take the trade off the 15 then? Sometimes I do. The 15 doesn't look that good in this case, right? No top wick. It's actually the 15 levels up here. And the 4 hours just open, so I don't want to take trades off of a 15 when the 4 hour... At the minute, the 4 hour is what's driving price, not the 15 minute. You have to understand what time you're in, you know, whereabouts in the market we're in throughout the day. And you have to understand that since the 4 hour has just opened, it is the 4 hour that's pushing us rather than anything else. There's a very strong potential now that this 4 hour is just grabbing liquidity like the previous ones have done to rip down. It's very possible, right? So we don't want to get caught in that at all. But we need to wait for strong confirmations. You know? Wait for those strong confirmations and get in. You know what? The worst thing you can do is, you know, grab a trade early, expecting something to happen, then it doesn't happen, and then you're in drawdown. And if you look back on it, if you would have waited for the higher time frame confirmation, you would have not taken the trade. So, you know, that's the worst thing that can happen. Eurusd's pushing. It's kind of filled the range already. Interesting. Yeah, honestly though, I do believe in this current market cycle that we're in, the majority of the trades are going to come from New York session, but that doesn't mean that it's always going to happen, right? So maybe in, you know, a month or two, or not even a month, maybe a couple of weeks, it's going to be the situation where we're getting all of our trades in London and none in New York, you know? It's literally just, you know, it's how it is sometimes. But yeah, I mean, listen, it is what it is, and we just have to adapt to the market. And yeah, not much else you can do. Cool. Still got NYSE later. Yeah, exactly, bro. Oh, Ray's just sick, bro. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Get well soon. But yeah, chat, stay locked in here because there's a lot of potential, right? There's a lot of potential. Potentially we could also get this, we could grab an onion play here to the downside. Kind of crazy, chat. If you just played the onions up and down on this, in these ranges, you'd be laughing, right? You could have taken, this onion here, come up to the top of the range. Then you could take the next onion down to come down to the bottom of the range. And you could take this onion here to come up to the top of the range, and then the next onion down to come to the bottom, and then this onion here to come back up. You took all of those, you'd be laughing. A lot of pips, right? Interesting, right? But the issue is with that, right? When you get caught in that one that doesn't range, then you get wiped out. But something to look at, chat. Look at the ranges, man. There's so many onions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where else? 5, 6 onion plays in one sort of, you know, day or a couple of days. But yeah, chat, let's see. Hopefully this 15 can close sort of, to be fair, if we close like this now on the 15, that would be nice. It'll also be a 30 closure above. We'll wait for a bottom wick and a flip, and then we'll be in there like swimwear. So yeah, chat, 9 minutes, but lock it in here. There's definitely potential. Also, if you don't understand anything that I'm saying, or if you don't understand the setup that we're looking for, then feel free to ask, right? There's no stupid questions around here. No stupid questions. Chat, also that bridge collapse that we were talking about yesterday was definitely a cyber attack. Definitely a cyber attack. Tyler was right. Tyler the conspiracy theorist, but I believe he was right. It was me. Yeah, it was Eugene. It was a little hacker laptop. There he is. Bro, the lights went up and everything. All the power cut out just before it crashed into the thing. It's just like, yeah, Interesting. SG, you gotta check out vector candles. Look up traders reality in the indicators. Game changer for trading. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a quick look. It's gonna put some crazy shit. Whoa, yeah, I knew it was gonna do that. What is this? Bro, no. How am I meant to trade this? Bro, no chance I can trade this. I'm sure I could take some of the clouds off or whatever, but that shit is mad. Daily open. That is not... Yeah, you know what? I don't think I can take that, bro. Wait, did it change the candle structure and everything? Did it change, like... No, I didn't, but... That's crazy. What does green then mean, bro? What does green mean? What's this green vector candle? Bro, imagine people are going to join the stream and think this is how we trade. Jackson Pollock trading, that's crazy. 200% volume, crazy. That's interesting. It's kind of right. I mean, it is 200% volume, but... Mad, bro. If that works for you, then fair play. I'm not hating on you at all, but I just can't use that. It kind of hurts my eyes. Brother, that's yeah. What's good, AJ? What's good, bro? Do you take the flip or the break of highs if we get a trade, and why? It depends how the candle forms. Candle comes down with absolutely no top wick, then we'll take the flip. But if it makes a little top wick first, then we'll take the break of the highs. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense to you. Got 5 minutes to this closure here, though. Please, 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 gold. Be nice. You have to change settings to clean it up. Yeah, I thought so. I thought so. USD JPY has a crazy candle right now. I bet it's like some manipulation from the banks again. That's why I stopped trading. Bro, what? What? That's why I stopped trading JPY pairs, because they just do stupid stuff like this. Imagine you got in these buys, right? Imagine you thought, you know what? We're going to have range 1 buys above this level. And you got your top wick and you're like, yes, I'm in. And it just goes, boom. No chance. Not interested. Cool, chat. So, if we do close above here, this would be nice. We still have 17 pips to the break-even area. Probably looking at take profit around 2185.06. That would give us roughly 37 pips, something like that. Stop loss would probably be around 50 pips. That's okay. I can cope with that. Just need to close not like this. We need a top wick and we need a bottom wick on the open, I believe. Let me see. Last time we came up here, we needed a bottom wick. Is this the only time we've come up here before? It is, right? I know. No bottom wick. Yeah, I think we need a bottom wick, to be honest, chat, but we'll see. Yeah, because I don't want to get caught in a fake out. I don't want to get caught in a fake out, if I'm truly honest. This is a 4-hour wick rejection zone, right? So it's just questionable. But the daily, if the daily does break its own high, it should continue to push, right? So there's a lot of you know, conflicting information going on here, I'd say. But so we just have to be careful. We have to wait for everything to print correctly. Once that happens, we'll be good. I got in buys 21.76. GG's, bro. 50 pips up. Probably close full. Let's see though, chat. Let's see. Lock it in here. Absolute potential here. 3 minutes till the 30-minute closure. Of course, the viewers spike up when we're about to get a trade. I love it. Maybe, chat, maybe in future I should just say, lock it in here, there's potential. All the time. 100 pips potential. Maybe. DXY dumping hard, but gold not buying. Adamora was good. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really look at DXY, if I'm truly honest. It is dumping. I mean, gold technically is buying, or is pumping up, because, I mean, we came up, what, 50 pips here? We did technically move, right? 30 pips. Is this 5-minute candle going to shaft us? We'll see. It looks like it might, chat. It looks like we might not even close. We've got a minute here. Let's see. Chat. Chat. What's going on, man? Play the song. Can only play the Pump It Up song in the intro or when we're in a trade. Only 2 options. We have a minute here, chat. Let's see if we can reverse quickly on this 1-minute candle. Are we going to close above? Stay locked in here, chat. We might come up last minute, close above. Who knows? If not, chat, we'll wait for the next 30. It's fine. Fine. If we close above on the next 30, that's going to be the hourly. So that's probably even better for us. That's probably even better. Good, XYZ. What's good? What's good? Eurusd still looking good. Yeah, but we filled the range now. filled the range, right? It's only a 2 pip advantage point to the next level. We need to come and close above this level now. I don't want to take a trade for 2 pips. We'll see though, chat. We'll see. We're closing close to the level, right? So it's not like a massive rejection. It might just be this 15 level that's got us here. But what we can do is we'll wait for the next closure, which is going to be the hourly. And once we do close above there, that's going to be even better for us. That's going to be a much stronger confirmation than just a 30-minute. So might work out better for us, chat. We'll see. We'll see. Call the Fed Reserve. Tell them to melt some gold right quick before we take off. Yeah. Out of press release saying there's no more gold left in the earth. That's what we need, chat. That's what we need. So the 30-minute candle closed near the zone. This next 30's got a bottom wick and it's flipped already. Hopefully we can push up here and just, you know, close just above. That's obviously perfect situation for us, but you know, it doesn't mean that it's gonna happen. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen. We just have to wait and see. We have to react rather than predict. That's another thing that people say to me. They're like, oh, so we're gonna predict that it's gonna go this way, and it's like, nah, we wait for it to do the move and we jump on the wave, right? We're not predictors, we're reactors. We're reactive traders. And I think that's a big misconception that people have in trading. They think that they're trying to predict where price is going. Mad. But we're not trying to predict where price goes. We just try to you know, jump on that wave. And that's why we have such a high win rate. You can't predict where the market's going, right? I would have predicted that we continued downwards once we closed down here on the 4 hour, but we've reversed, so, you know. That's simple, yeah, indeed, bro. Indeed. I think I'm gonna hit a fat chest day later, chat. There's nothing better for me at the minute than going to the gym, getting back, eating a crazy big meal, and then like trading, making some money. It's such a good feeling. It is such a good feeling. You know, like when you get back from the gym and you're just like, you feel like a caveman, you're that hungry. Make some huge ass meal, scoff it down. And then, yeah, I don't know. Spitting facts. Appreciate it. Gladiators, yeah, indeed. Indeed. Can't wait for my notice period to be over. That'll be my new routine. Bro, trust me, Eugene, once you get out of that job, you gotta trade London. After London or after this stream, you gotta go to the gym. Get back, make some food, get on just before New York Open. And then trade for the rest of the day. And then once the market's closed, or once you're done for the day, you can relax. Such a good routine. Such a good routine. Mine's spent doing that, but then from like 3 till 10, I'm like making content or answering emails or whatever. Bruv, till now, market's taught me trade what you see, not what you think. Yeah, exactly. It's a good point. It's a good point, bro. I need a new chair, though. I'm not gonna lie. This chair is not the comfiest. Also, I don't think you can hear that noise because my noise cancelling's on, but it does do the little, like, you know, it does a little squeaking noise when I move about on it. Yeah, by the way, in future, if I'm ever spitting some wisdom or there's a clip that you think is contentable, just clip it up for me and send it to me. That'd be much appreciated. A couple of times people do that, but I need clips, right, to post for shorts and stuff like that. So if you do do some clips, some Samology. Yeah. Just make a clip of it and send it to me. You know you can do the little YouTube clip that thing, whatever it is. But yeah. Cough cough and TT. Oh yeah. Yeah, true. True. Yeah, I do have a TikTok, chat. It is just at Trendline, so if you want to follow it, go follow it. But I post like, I don't know. I need to post more often on TikTok, to be fair. Whoa, why is it playing? Yo, my bad, chat. My bad. I was trying to show you guys my TikTok and it just played some random advert. Not happy. I can't even log in. Oh, I'm not going to do that. My bad, chat. My bad. My bad. Just at Trendlines there. My girl cheated on me with my friend. Bro, Alwyn. Sorry to hear that, bro. But it's her loss, not yours. Her loss. And that guy's not your friend. That guy is not your friend. So, you know what to do. You know what the plan is here, brother. Tell me what the plan is. Come on, type it out. Type out what the plan is. I know you know it. I know you know what you need to do. Her loss, exactly. Hussein's got your back, see? Cheap for the streets, for sure. Keep it up. You know it from now. We're all gonna go jump your mate, bro. Trust me. Just because I don't have enough money to spend, brother. You're 17. What do you mean? What do you mean? You can't have a girl chatting to you about money when you're 17. He's down, I'm up. Yeah. Alwyn, bro, get in the gym. Come on, get in the gym and get your bread up. Turn up to the school reunion when you're 22, 23. In a Beamer. Like you said, you like Beamers, so do that. Get your money up, get your appearance up. Everything, bro. Everything. Start the ultimate self-improvement goal. This is what I did when I had my first breakup. Changes your life, bro. If you play this breakup right, it's going to be the best thing that ever happened to you. Believe me. Believe me. If you play this breakup right, it'll be the best thing that ever happened to you. You'll be glad that she broke up with you. You'll be so glad, bro. Get a skincare routine, get in the gym. Yo, Baron, none of that. None of that. Yeah, she's for the streets, man. Get a skincare routine, go to the gym. Get huge, get your money up. Easy. Easy glow up. You're actually kind of lucky, you know? Kind of lucky that happens. You got some motivation now. You got a why. You know what I mean? You found your why. Gym, lock it in trading and just live your life. When you're 25, you're going to be so up that you're going to laugh at this time. Yeah, trust me. And Tyler said the right thing too. It's lucky that it happened this early. Trust me. Trust me. It's a game changer. Peckham, what? Wait, chatting about Peckham for. Baron thought you were German from Peckham. My bad. I just saw that. Oh, chat, we're filling this range, man. Tough now. We'll see, chat. We'll see. Got 21 minutes to the closure. Keep it locked in. There's a lot of potential here, right? There's a lot of potential. Can we take it on the 15? Yeah, potentially we can, actually. If the 15 forms correctly, we'll take it on the 15. So it's 6 minutes. So stay locked in. Stay locked in. But yeah, if this forms right, then we'll be good. Chat, let's try get to 100 likes. 100 likes. That'd be huge. Apparently, someone told me Jerome just messaged me and said that if we get to 100 likes, he's going to make sure the candle closes above and grabs the bottom wick. Kind of crazy, but he said that, so you got to listen to him. Yes, sir, now only me and my parents. Yeah, bro, that's who matters the most anyway. That's who matters the most anyway. You and your parents. But you gotta think about it as think about it in a positive way. I think you're very lucky to have like something like this now. You don't want to get too comfortable. Trust me, Alwyn. In 5 years, we're all gonna be on your yacht. All of the Trendlines gang, we're going to be on your yacht, chilling. We'll do a live stream from there. You got this. Stops are below the 1 hour or now smaller and use the 15-minute lows if we get this trade. Yeah, 1 hour lows. Technically, you could use this low here, but I wouldn't want to get caught in the 1 hour bottom wick. Alan, what you calling your yacht? W community, yes sir. Absolutely W community. This guy's just come in with a problem and everyone came to his, you know, give him advice and support him straight away. I don't know many other communities like that. You said that in many other communities they just get like flamed, you know. But this community, we support each other, right? We look after each other and bring each other up, and that's the biggest thing about it. You know, to have the opportunity to be a part of this community where, you know, you all lift each other up, you lift me up, and yeah, we all, you know, improve ourselves daily together is crazy. It's a very good community. Because we the E homies, yeah. What's up, Hugo? How you doing, bro? How you doing? Chat, 3 minutes to this 15 closure here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I blew 5 funded accounts yesterday. Broski. How are you blowing 5 funded accounts in a day? 1 trade a day maximum, 1% risk per trade. And then you can never blow an account in a day ever. Simple. Literally. Whoa, chat, what is going on? What is this push? Sorry, bro, I'll get back to your thing in a second, but Jesus, what is this push? That just came out of nowhere. Okay, chat, definitely lock it in here. There's volume. Thing is though, it's not even giving us any closures, right? It's not giving us closures outside the range for us to take the positions. It's just, you know, we closed back in the range on the 15 before driving. Very, very weird price action. 1 minute to this 15 closure here. Let's see if we can pull back a little bit and get a... What, bro? 60 pip candle. What is going on, chat? This is crazy. There's nothing we can do here, chat. I can't take a trade here. We have to wait for this 15 to close, at least. Right, let's look at what levels we have. So we have a level over here. We need to close above 2188.4. If we close above 2188.4, our next target is going to be somewhere up here at mad, you know. At what? Let's see how this 15 closes. Oh my days. That's the maddest hourly salary. It's not even an hourly salary. I don't know if we can take this now though. Look how hard it's rejecting. There's no news, bro. Someone check, yeah, someone check like the world news. Someone check like breaking news. Oh my days, chat. Look at that. There's nothing we can do here. What is going on, man? What's good, Leonidas? Yo, what's good, Nicholas? I was in buys at the bottom of the range. Bro, did you hold that? Did you hold that or what? Yeah, look at this now. 15's come up and flipped. I know certain people that will be taking sells right now. Sheesh, man. That is crazy, chat. I'm just trying to check the news, chat, but there's nothing. Absolutely nothing. SG candle did the same thing at the same time yesterday. Oh, is it? Actually, that's crazy. Can this 1 hour flip? Like, what's going on? What is going on, chat? I've got no clue. This is nuts. Weird, no news. Yeah, is there anything in the like world news, like BBC News or something? Like, what could be going on? Yeah, the same time happened. Yeah, yesterday it pumped like crazy around this time too. I've got no clue if I'm truly honest. But to be honest, we can wait for this 1 hour close in 12 minutes. See if we get a bottom wick and continue to flip up. That could be something that we could look for. Our high gold price is impacting Chinese demand. Bullion imports is through the roof. Through Hong Kong, cut in half. Bro, it's the physical moon. What? This is how US 30 moves every NYSE. Bro, stop trying to sell us US 30. The moon and the stars, I'm serious, bro. What? Because of the full moon or what? Chat, it's crazy though. That is absolutely crazy. That just came out of nowhere as well. It gave us no entries, nothing like that. Let's see though, chat. Let's have a look. On the 1 hour, all we need to do here is close above this level at 2186. If we can close above there, then we're looking good to continue up. But we're gonna have to close above there and get a bottom wick. So there's a lot that needs to happen, right? We'll wait and see. MSG came by to join in. What the fuck going on to go? Yeah, going on with gold, bro. No clue. Absolutely no clue. A lot of volume. A lot of volume. The news is that the guy who put a sell on before that candle had a heart attack. Yeah, trust me. Someone would have been in sales too. That's the interesting thing, chat, because we did just come and close below the level first before this push. So someone was definitely in sales. Tough. It's tough. Okay, chat. Okay, we need to close above this area here on the 1. Once we do that and grab a bottom wick, we should be good to continue up to at least up here, I believe, at 21.97. Every time, well, we've only closed above here once or twice, but every time we have, we've continued to push up. I also don't know if we're going to need a bottom wick, if I'm honest. Must have been one guy with no stop loss too, yeah, trust me. Let's see here, but if we close up here on the 1 in 9 minutes, there should be a lot of potential for us to get a trade here. A lot of potential, so we'll see. Crazy though, chat. That is mad. Silver can still outperform. Are you just sending in news headlines, Eugene? I'm up about £100 on my physical gold coin. Crazy, bro. Crazy, good shit. Funny, you know, about 6 months ago, my girlfriend's dad, or my girlfriend came to me and said that my dad wants some like investment advice or whatever. So I said buy gold. And I think he did. And this was like way down here. It was like when we were down at like at least 1900. I've been trying to make this guy some money. Hopefully, I'm in the good books now. Why don't you make a broadcast channel on IG? Yeah, I might do, bro. I might do. What would I put on there though? What would I put on there? Who would join as well? I don't really know much about them. What do they do? I just type stuff or whatever. He definitely loves you right now, yeah. Crazy. Family lose £165 Ryanair check-in dispute. Bro, it's just... We got Eugene's news back at it again. Bro, talking about check-in disputes, man. I booked a business class flight on British Airways for my girlfriend. And when she got there, they said the business class was full, so they put her in like a economy class, which is fine. But I've paid for a business class seat, and now they're taking ages to give me my money back. So AIDS. That is not ideal. What's good, Josh? How are we doing, bro? Got 7 minutes here. Stay locked in. Stay locked in. We've got a lot of potential here, so make sure we stay locked in. And yeah, the volume's crazy. Is it just gonna... To be fair, yeah, we did do this yesterday. I remember. Sorry, my bad. I remember this yesterday, and then it just dropped off. So hopefully it doesn't do that. But yeah, we'll see. How much was that, mate? Trendline's the business class. Bro, I'll tell you. Tell you after stream. I'm not gonna try and like, you know. But yeah. Jack, can we try and get to 100 likes too before this trade happens? We're gonna be looking to take a trade in 6 minutes. Try and get to 100 likes before that happens. I would appreciate it very, very much. There's enough of you in here to make it happen. Let's see if we can do it, right? Let's see if we can do it. But yeah, guys, same again. I appreciate you all very much for being here. It means a lot that you show so much support every day. And yeah, hopefully we can make you some money today. Hopefully we can get a good trade, make you some cash. And yeah. All you can ask for, right? All you can ask for. Big dubs. Yes, sir. 6 minutes here, chat. Hopefully we don't push and fill the range before we do that. Should be a nice 1 hour close though. We can go for a break even on the wick fill, which is going to give us like, geez, the wick fill's 40 pips, you know. That's crazy, chat. The stop's going to be quite big. Stop's going to be 130 pips. I can't really do anything about the stops, if I'm honest. Can't do much about that. Yeah, SB on 150 pips. I know it's like 130, but I literally can't do anything about it, if I'm honest. Yeah, this was that push yesterday, wasn't it? And it resulted in a fake out, so we'll see. But yeah, you're right, Tyler, you're right. It did the exact same thing, man. Maybe tomorrow we need to come on expecting that to happen, you know? He's gonna try and make you his son-in-law. Yeah. Lobby, what's good, bro? What's good? Anyone else seeing the resistance on the 15-minute time frame at 93.5? Yeah, there is probably levels here, but I mean, if we get to that point, we're already gonna be 93.5. Yeah, I mean there is, but we get there. That is a nice looking closure though. We're going to come and close above this hourly level up here. And then it is pretty much clean traffic to the top of this range at 21.97. So, I mean, that's 100 pips, right? Potentially we can attempt runners. What we can do is we can go for a little similar play that we did the other day with that 100 pip runner play. If it forms correctly, chat. If it forms correctly. Are you affiliated with DVS? Bobby Nolan, yeah, I'm a creator for DVS, so I'm one of the DVS streamers. There's obviously me, Don, Janez, Huss, Wix, Kieran, and Elvis. But yeah, I'm one of the DVS streamers, bro. Hope you're doing fine as hell on this lovely morning, evening, or whatsoever. Yeah, good stuff, bro. Thank you. I'm doing well. Lock it in here. 3 minutes, okay? 3 minutes for this closure. See, what we need is just a bottom wick. I don't really even think we need that big of a bottom wick, if I'm honest. Just a small bottom wick. And we should be good. You tune into NY? Yeah, I do. I used to be on the Zoom all the time, obviously, but recently I've been very busy, so I haven't been able to tune into the Zoom, but I miss it. I'll try and hop in as soon as possible. I trade NY too. Ilias, what's good? Did you watch Don's Discord stream yesterday? No, because my coaching calls with my coaching group was on at the same time, so I didn't have time to jump into that, unfortunately. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Yeah, what is stops going to be? Stops going to be 150 pips. It's quite big, you know, but not much. I mean, you could use the 30 for stops and it'd be 120. We could potentially do that, but it's a bit difficult. But we'll see. Just risk down, chat. Just use a lower lot size than you normally do if you do want to take it. And if you want to let it go, like I think it was Maleka that just said he'd let it go. Yeah. If you want to let it go, let it go. That's good discipline, man. That's good discipline. Oh well, he said this shit gonna happen, and for him it'll drop hard after this. Yeah, maybe. Maybe it will. I think we need to tap into these levels first, though. Look at the daily, man. Like, the daily is just pure bullish. This move wouldn't make you a millionaire. Exactly. Risk responsibly. Good stuff. See, chat, I love to see that, man. You lot talking in here about risk, responsibility, all that good stuff. Means a lot. It's very important. Just forgot we didn't check Eurusd in a while, but if that closes below the level, then that could be interesting. Okay, chat, 1 minute and 20 seconds till this trade. Lock it in here. What we need, chat, is we need a closure above this level, like we are about to do, and then we can look for a bottom wick and a flip, and then we'll be in there, and we'll use the wick fill as our break even. DP will be the top of the range. It's a pretty simple play, but a nice bottom wick would be good here. 40 seconds to the closure, chat. Make sure you're locked in. Let's see, chat. Let's see if we can get this position. Any size bottom wick should be okay. Should be perfectly fine. Bottom wick and a flip here. Fill the top of the range. Risk free at the wick fill. Cool shot. Let's see how we open here. I'm just going to check on my broker too. Cool. So we just closed here, and we are making a. We made a small top wick first. Can we come down and make a bottom wick rather than just fill the range? Let's see. Can we do that or not? I think, to be honest, as long as we don't break the highs or whatever, then we should be good. But there's a potential that we do just fill the wick here and then flip. And if we do that, then obviously we'll have no trades. Just difficult, chat. Price action at the minute has been very, very interesting. Are you in? No, bro. I'm not in. I'm not in. No trades at the minute, chat. We're waiting for a top wick to be formed. We take it as a mirror to yesterday, it will drive without a top wick. Yeah, it will, but again, I can't get caught in a fake out like that, so I can't take it without the bottom wick. But yeah, it could drive without a bottom wick, and that's fine. If it does, who cares? It's not our play. It's not our play. Who cares, right? Yeah, same. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. GG's. Yeah, chat. Look, if we look on the 5 as well, that we've been rejecting here, so there is a potential that we do. You know, this was just a liquidity grab for the 4, and we can start to come down. It's definitely possible. So we'll have to wait and see here. If I'm honest, chat. Have to wait and see. I feel uncomfortable with the setup because I don't see enough liquidity to break through 94 or 98. That's okay, bro. If you're uncomfortable with it, don't take it. But to be honest with you, we'd be out by 94 probably. That's 40 pips. I'm more than happy taking a 50 pip trade. You know, so essentially the trade isn't based on breaking through those levels and continuing upwards. The trade is based on the wick fill at least, and you know, the continuation. But yeah, at the moment we have nothing because you know, we need that bottom wick and then a flip up. But yeah, there's a likelihood that we could mirror the push from yesterday, right? We could mirror this 4 hour and end up, you know, being in a fake out. So we don't want to get caught in that, essentially. Yeah, it's just not forming correctly at the minute, chat, if I'm honest. What I would have loved is a perfect bottom wick before that flip happened, you know? That would have been really, really nice. Please tell me how you would control, how would you control your emotion? Yeah, so bro, if you're having trouble with your emotional control, my man, go to this journal, right? It's free. Just download it and track your emotions in it. So what I would say is take 1 trade a day and track your emotions in that journal. And once you do that, you're gonna be fine. You know, you're gonna be fine. That's gonna help you, you know, manage your emotion and all of that good stuff. It's gonna make you self-conscious, not self-conscious, but self-aware, sorry, of your own emotions and all that stuff. And yeah, you'll be good. Trust me. I know a lot of people that have used it recently and they love it. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is, right? It's sort of proven. It's got a proven track record, and I don't know. I think it's just very good. So try that journal out. If not, I would say to manage your emotion, don't over risk. Don't take too many trades, and that's pretty much it. Pretty much it, man. I love the way you control your emotions. Thank you, brother. Yeah, it's a skill. It's a skill like anything else, right? Everyone has to work on it. Everyone has to improve their skills over time. It didn't just happen for me straight away, right? I had that period of, you know, over leveraging, getting emotional, all that stuff. It happens. So, you know, you just work on it, you improve it yourself, and eventually you'll get better at it. Will gold be down again near 2160? Bro, that's a long way away now. 2160 is a long way away. Are you stuck in a trade from there? If so, maybe close out, brother. That's a long way. I mean, it can do, right? I'm not saying it can't, but it's a long way. 300 pips away. Why you don't go into a trade? Can you explain? Yes, brother, I can. So, the reason why we didn't get into a trade there and we exercised our discipline is because this 1 hour closed above our level, right? But even though it closed above our level, we didn't grab a bottom wick. So what we would have been looking for is for this next candle here to come down, something like this, grab some liquidity and then flip up, right? So essentially, we wanted the bottom wick to be formed before pushing up so that this next candle could do something like this after grabbing liquidity and filling up to the top of the range. But we didn't do that, right? So at any given point, this candle can now just flip, right? We're coming up without bottom wicks, without anything like that. So in my opinion, I can't take a trade there. And yeah, also another thing that we're looking at is the fact that yesterday we did a similar sort of push up and we ended up faking out of the range. So we ended up pushing up like this, exactly like we have just done just here, no bottom wicks on the candles, and then we ended up faking out and coming back down below, and we don't want to get caught in that fake out. So that's why we didn't take that trade. That makes sense, bro? Hopefully that makes sense to you. I know what you mean, just my defensive trader reflexes. Yeah, all good, Hugo. No, all good. This candle's probably pushed like 20-30 pips right now, chat. No FOMO though. Absolutely no FOMO. No FOMO at all, chat. Wasn't our trade, right? It wasn't our trade to take, unfortunately. I'll wait for the next 30. See how that forms. If we can grab a bottom wick on the next 30, then that'll be okay to take. But other than that, we have to wait and see, right? We have to wait and see. There's no FOMO here though, chat, at all. No FOMO whatsoever. I know a lot of you are going to say, like, why didn't you take the trade, all this stuff, but listen, you don't want to take a trade that's not in your plan and then lose. If this trade lost after we took it, I'd be so annoyed. Especially, like, because you break your plan, right? I'm never annoyed after a loss, but I get annoyed after a loss if I didn't follow my plan, right? Because then it's just my fault. Now, if you take a loss that's part of your plan, it's part of the strategy, and you know, just the market gives you a loss, it's not your fault. It's just the market. You know, you're paying your price to the market. But if you break your plan, take a trade that isn't in your strategy and isn't backed by data, then you lose. It's your fault. It's just purely your fault, and you're going to be pissed off at yourself, and that's okay. Like, you should be annoyed at yourself if you break your plan. That's what I think. That's what I'm trying to teach you all, like all of you guys, especially the people who are new here and they come in asking for a trade. You know, yeah. You do Asian? No, I don't trade Asian, but what I'm looking at doing is maybe looking at having like a 24/7 signals thing where I'll get a trader that I trust to trade Asian, and we can do it like all 3 sessions. It could be cool. I'm thinking about doing something like that. Where did you learn trading? I learned from Don Vo, the DVS, but I learned from Don Vo. He's the GOAT. He's the GOAT for sure. Can't you mark the close and look left just as you do in your initial analysis? Yeah, that's what I do, bro. That's what I did. I want to see your emotion in New York session. It's a complete same, bro. I traded New York for FOMC the other day. I streamed it. My emotion's the exact same, bro. But if you do want to see me trade So what's going on? Can you hear me? Is that better? You still can't hear me? Oh no, you can hear me now. Bro, what happened? I have no clue what happened then. No clue. Are you part of DBS? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Still crackly. Bro, I don't know what happened. Maybe the cable came out or some shit. I don't know. Matrix attack. Yeah, that's what it is, bro. Matrix attack. Learning how to control my emotions from Don Berg. Good stuff, bro. Yeah, Don's the best at that. Don's very good at that. That's what we specialize in, right? That's what I try and specialize in. DBS tries to specialize in. Yeah. Oh, what? Is that better? Can you hear me better now? No. What about now? What is going on? It's like interference. Yeah, why has it got interference? Chat, my bad. Let me try to fix this real quick. Right, I've gone for the classic unplug and replug method. Does that work? Wait, what's happening? Is that the chat? Now what's up to my camera, bro? What? Yeah, I've actually made that. I've made that. Still here, right? Still here. Bro, what is going on? You make that. Gold pushing, please. What's going on? You guys see me? By the way, try to touch it back. I just got up and made Right, chat, I'm going to call it here. I'm going to call it here. If you can hear me, call it here. Zoom, I'll catch you later. Peace out. Thanks, you chat. Enjoy your streams on the way out, chat. Enjoy your streams. I'll see you all there. I don't know what's going on.